What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over all my, I guess, packs and rucksacks. I have quite a bit. I'm just going to be focusing on Vietnam pretty much, just everything that was used in Vietnam. But yeah, simply enough, we'll just get right to it. So here's the pack board. This is pretty much the Marines, a lightweight frame. A lot of Marines, pretty much all the way to the mid-war, had these things. And the most common setup you see is just with either an M41 or a PRC 77 or PRC 25 strapped onto the I guess the frame. This is the Plywood pack board, I believe. Mine's 44 dated, and I spent like $30 on it. Doesn't have the strings, doesn't have the straps, which I need, but I'm not really in a rush to get them, I guess. So there's that. M41 Haversack. Technically this is a World War II Haversack, but this specific model is from Korea. That's when they kind of swapped everything to the OD green, that kind of shit. But this is like a transitional, has the cayenne trim, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, you really see these throughout the entirety of Vietnam. 1965 all the way to 1975, during the evacuation of Saigon and so on and so forth. But yeah, really cool, and I pretty much use it for my Marine impression, obviously. M56 Butt Pack. This is actually an M56. It's not, an M61. It has the, I guess, bunny ears flap. Yeah, honestly, this whole flap system is actually really similar to the World War II M41s. But yeah, it's a cool pack. Mine's 59 dated, and I got it for, I think, less than 20 bucks. So really cool. Here's the M61 Butt Pack. I've had this thing forever. It's pretty cool. The only difference between the two is that this is much more rounder, and this is this one on the left here. It's much more square. So honestly, they're pretty similar, but it's just much more square. I personally prefer the M56 rather than the M61. But that's just my personal preference. So here's the Rucksack. You guys want a more better in-depth look of it, I already have a video kind of showing it off. But pretty much this is like, I think they started being made in 65, maybe 64. I'm not entirely sure, but pretty much these were made for the Armed Forces, but a lot of Marines ended up using these because they're just way better than the M41 Haversack. Not a whole lot of Army guys, but I could be wrong about that. But yeah, so that's the Arvin Rucksack, and we'll move up the line, I guess. This rucksack is the P65 lightweight rucksack. Now, I pretty much use this for all my impressions, either Marines or Army. It could be the 1st Cavalry or even the 101st. But yeah, really cool pack. Hopefully I can get a better angle of it. I'll just lift it up. But yeah, you guys, I'm pretty sure you've all seen this. But yeah, this is the lightweight. Okay, so here's my other lightweight rucksack. This one is actually my oldest one. This was the rucksack that was used in the restoration video. It has a what's it called? This thing's heavy as hell. I can't think of the X-frame thing, but it has that strapped onto it. Really cool. And yeah, so here's the next pack. This is just the tropical rucksack. I'm planning on using this for either special forces or just, I guess, on its own. The only issue is just this blue paint. But overall, it's in a pretty good condition. It has all the straps and everything, including the kidney strap. But yeah, there's that. Finally, here's my Haversack. This is pretty much the latest item that I have. It was made in 67, but really used almost like 1975 and or post-war. But guys, this is pretty much all my Haversacks, rucksacks, butt packs, and that kind of thing. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around.